Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money from your Skrill account. Now the first thing you need to do, remember using the Skrill website. If you want to check out a video on how to transfer money from Skrill using the mobile app, you check it out. We have a video there. So the next thing I'm going to do is want to transfer it in the website. So how do we do it? The first thing you need to do is to log into the website, which is skrill.com, and once you're there, the next thing you're going to do is don't forget to log in with your email address and password. Good. Once you're there, you have to navigate to the back. You click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. Then you see the option for transfer. So you click on transfer. Now you have three ways of transferring. You can do Skrill to Skrill, you can do international money transfer, you can do request money. So if you want to use international money transfer, that is sent from your bank card to a bank account abroad, there'll be no transfer fee, and you get great exchange rates. So you click on that. And then you can see this is for bank transfers. So you can use it. You can make a manual bank transfer from your bank account to Skrill bank account also. But because Skrill will provide you their bank details and unique reference number, that is your ID, that you must include in your transfer for them to identify and credit your account. This method is actually free. Or you can use this one, Skrill method transfer. This is its free money transfer. Send directly to your bank account or mobile app. So you send the money from the country you want to send it for. You choose is it dollar or the currency you're sending it from. All right, so you send from Nigeria the amount you want. You use the country code, the currency, and then they receive in the country you want. You choose the country. Let's say I'm sending to Australia. Then you see it should be done. I want to do that. You put in the amount you want to send. Let's say I want to send this amount. To convert it and give it will show you the limit you can send it to. So you must not pass your limit. Then you want to deliver to the bank account. Yes. You want to pay with your debit card. You want to pay with your debit card, leave it. You already have your debit card details, or you want to pay your credit card, you choose the one you want to do. Then to show you the total to pay, the fee. Can you see the fee here? This is the fee. You tell you when to arrive. I want to throw everything, click on continue. So why it can't work now, because you can see I didn't put the right amount. So let us say this is the right amount. Then I click on continue. Then who am I sending the money to? You have to fill this part, recipients. So you send it to yourself, to someone else, to a business. You make your choice. And once you're through, let's say I want to send it to someone else. You put in the person's details, recipient details and everything. And once you're through, you click on continue. And then you follow the prompt. So just keep on following. Please pay attention to what is being, because each payment method, the steps for each of them is different. So you have to follow it.